meatballs here, hot and fresh.
We feel that at IKEA, food brings people together.
Together we eat, here we go.
That has been our theme through the whole year, how people share traditions and time with family and friends over meals.
It would be good as like finger food for parties.
We have tables set up and games where people and their families can sit down and hang out and just enjoy the weather and enjoy the day together.
We just kind of stumbled upon this actually.
We were going to a coffee shop and then we walked into this.
Happened, and we've got free meatballs, free cookies, and we're playing dominoes with two lovely
What
ladies.
could be better?
So you can't beat it.
Together we eat!
We're featuring 3 meatballs. One, our Swedish meatball, which is traditional.
Lingonberries.
Holds up. It's delicious.
We came up with 2 recipes that are exclusive to the food truck. The veggie ball, we're calling it a California stack, so it has avocado, pickled ginger, and a wasabi veganaise.
The veggie meatballs are amazing.
It's like a sushi and then the wasabi. I love it.
And the chicken meatball that we introduced last year is a buffalo-style chicken meatball with blue cheese and some hot wing sauce.
That was good.
We're waiting for meatballs.
I like that one.
Hashtag together we eat.
Hashtag together we eat.
All right, I gotta do it.